Fuck, jeg er nervøs nu. 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 Men vi prøver. Mit navn er Strassedylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylelylygylly Okay, nu skal vi lige. Jeg er så glad for jer, jeg kender Katrine og Tobias. Kom videre. Og jeg har en YouTube-channel, dydelylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylden dylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylyllyl. Og Katrine eller kræfter kan dylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylllylylylylylyl Det er mega fedt. Dylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylyll. Og derfor snakker jeg med hende dylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylllylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylylldylylylldllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllllll for kæft, fordi jeg er jøde. Det her er fedt. Det er her. Lige Kasper. Han er nemlig jøde-racist. Jeg er admin lille, og jeg kender og spiller på blogs lille. Oh, wow, wow, oh, 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 wow. Han er bare en skid. Bare i 1510. Jeg har uploadet på YouTube. Fedt her, fedt. Olga Dyl